Ever since we've been renting properties around Italy, we've been dragging along and carrying and buying loads of these plastic bottles of water, which is necessary here in the heat. But we said, when we're gonna get a place of our own, we're gonna go from this to this. And we installed a filter called Frizzlife 400G in this house. And we're going to show you how we installed it. It's really easy and it saved us a lot of trips, not to mention the plasticky tasting water that we ingest here all the time that is now history.
Under these covers you have the reverse osmosis filter and the carbon block polyester filter, and under them you have indicators for when the filters need to be changed, and some under indicators. On the back side of the filter it's very clearly marked where you need to put the pipes. You have the supply pipe, the waste pipe and the filtered pipe. You also need to plug in the power back there. I'm using a cloth to keep things wet while I'm drilling, and I'm starting in an angle and I'm using a diamond hole saw. When you're mounting the tap, remember to put the rubber seal on. Here I'm disconnecting the cold water pipe that goes to the tap in the kitchen. There is still some water in it, so that's why I have the bucket. And I'm gonna put in a T connection here with a valve. That comes with the package. So I'm just screwing it on by hand. I reconnect the water to the tap in the kitchen. Now it's time to fit the waste connection. I'm going to start by drilling a hole into the waste pipe. I use a 10mm drill for this. And remember, it's plastic, so to put too much pressure on it while you drill. This black piece, we call it the drain saddle. It's supplied with the filter. Even the razor blade comes with a filter. Now I'm trying to get this exactly 90 degrees. You see, I have to cut it twice. I'm placing the filter outside the cabinet so that it's going to be super easy to service if I need to. And I'm going to measure the length of all the pipes. So I start with the one that goes to the tap. So I hold that in place and then I find the length. And then I go cut it. Now I'm doing the same thing with the wastewater pipe. It actually takes a little bit of water to clean the water, because all of the things that get cleaned out needs to go somewhere, and they flush out. It is actually really easy to fit these. And here I just clicked it onto the tap from underneath, and now I'm fitting this small blue clip, and that locks it in place. To connect the wastewater, you just push it into this drain saddle, and then you put on the blue clip and you're done. It is a bit tricky when you need to hold the camera with the other hand. And this is the water supply pipe, and that is the only pipe that actually screws on. So you put the pipe first, and then you tighten it with a wrench. In the other end, you need to take out the plug that is in the holes when it gets delivered. And you just push the pipes in and put the blue clip on. It's super easy and it's marked where each pipe should go. Here you put the power to the filter and then you lift it in place. And then you turn on the water on the top and you leave it on for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes you take a glass and fill it with water and you test the water with this machine or this indicator, which also comes in the package. And that if that is within the limit, it's okay and you can start using the water. It was a really simple and easy install, and everything I needed was supplied with the package.